From the Cabin Life YouTube channel. Witness the art of building a home in a frozen wilderness. This video is simply to explore and appreciate his incredible handmade creation. Welcome to Unique Builds Lab. Right now, the entire forest is blanketed in snow, and the temperature has dropped to -20 degrees. After searching deep within the forest, he found a special spot where he could build a small house. Before anything else, he needs to cut down some branches from the trees. The bark of the branches needs to be stripped away so that the wood looks clean and smooth. He needed to carefully shape a shape of the bricks, ensuring that it would be firmly embedded in the ground for a stable foundation. No matter what, before night falls, he had to finish constructing the house so it would be ready in time. This small entire structure was built by stacking those large beams together, which are needed. The entire forest was covered in snow, and because of that, he lit a fire to stay warm. Using the snow melt, he quickly prepared a cup of tea, warming himself from the inside out. At that moment, he began collecting more stones to build up the walls all around the structure. He thoroughly cleaned the area beneath the house's base, ensuring it was clear and ready for the foundation. He took the large wooden boards that he had cut earlier, measured them carefully, and now he trimmed them to the exact size needed. This simple structure now held the entire house firmly in place, giving it strength and stability. The structure around the house was nearly complete. All that was left was to finish the roof structure on top. For the house's roof, he used these smaller beams to form the support structure up top. He cut and attached the smaller beams evenly across the roof, ensuring they were all uniform and secure. He placed the smaller beams on both sides of the roof in the same way, ensuring balance and symmetry throughout. Now he packed the soil so it would press firmly against the stones, ensuring a strong connection. He carefully arranged the stones one by one, building up a wall using only soil, with no cement at all. All around the house, he built a uniform stone wall, ensuring that no cold air could get inside. Since only stones were used, small gaps appeared in between, so he carefully sealed those holes with soil to prevent any air from coming through. He started building the upper wall at the back of the house using wooden beams, carefully securing them in place. After constructing the wall with the wooden beams, some small gaps remained, so he gathered clay to fill those gaps and make the wall solid. Now, no cold air can enter the house in any way, as every gap is sealed perfectly. To prevent any rainwater from entering the house, he laid a plastic sheet over the entire structure. If the snowfall gets heavier, the plastic will likely collapse, allowing the snow to fall inside. That's why he will place large clay lumps on top, over the plastic, so the structure stays strong and secure. Because of the use of clay, the roof became strong, but it also gave the house a beautiful, greenish tint, making it look even more charming. Inside the house, he created a window for light to come in, and he covered it with plastic so that no cold air would get inside. To keep the house warm, he arranged a way to light a fire inside, ensuring the smoke wooden beams were cut into thin slices, like pieces of stone, and they are being carefully. He poured the uniform wood shavings evenly on top of the center, making sure they were well distributed and level. If you enjoyed his work, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with more projects and inspiring content. In front of the house gate as well, he did the same thing. He laid stones, then evenly spread the wood. Solid wooden sticks, he is building the door, ensuring each piece is long, straight, and evenly aligned. He cut the wood shavings into 4 equal-sized pieces, ensuring each piece would fit perfectly for his structure. Inside the house, he built a structure for sleeping, including a bed frame. The bed is quite small, but it's just the right size for one person to sit and use comfortably. On both sides of the outer door, he installed hurricane mesh, so that no wild animals could come near the house at night. Now, when night falls, he can rest peacefully in his home, without any disturbances. He will sleep well, feeling safe and warm inside his solid, well-protected home. Once again, as morning arrived, during his tea time, he started preparing another cup of tea. He finally finished building the house and spent a peaceful night resting inside. Now, he's ready to go back to his daily routine. If you enjoyed his work, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with more projects and inspiring content.